In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear shock in your 1965 Pontiac GTO. Using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the hubcap. Using a 19mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Do the same thing on the other side. Put a jack under your rear differential. Using an 18mm socket, remove the nut off of the rear shock. Do the same thing on the other side. Go up on your jack. And remove the shocks off of their mounts. Use a pry bar if needed. Using a 13mm socket, undo the top nuts for the shocks. Do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to just barely start one nut on this side, put my shock up, put it over the bolt, and swing it over. Snug down the first nut, just slightly. Snug it down. When I'm reaching over the top of the plate, I'm pushing down on this stud just to hold it in place. Snug down both of the nuts. Torque these top nuts to 36 foot-pounds. Cut the band off. Let it fully expand and then compress it 2 or 3 times just to cycle the shocks, get the oil moving. And then install it onto the post. Do the same thing on the other side. Install a washer, spacer, and then a nut. Do the same thing on the other side. Torque these nuts 55 to 75 foot-pounds. Remove your jack. Put the wheel back on and install the lug nuts. If you have these cone style nuts, the cone goes towards the wheel. And then snug them down. Do the same thing on the other side. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 100 foot-pounds. Install the hubcap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.